welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking an exciting look at the 2025 Morris Minor, a car that combines retro charm with modern innovations. This isn't just a throwback, it's a rebirth of a classic British icon with a futuristic edge. If you're a fan of vintage cars, unique design, and sustainable technology, this video is for you. Let's start with the exterior design, where the 2025 Morris Minor pays homage to its heritage, but with a refresh that's unmistakably 21st century. You'll immediately recognize the signature rounded curves and compact frame, reminiscent of the original model from the 1950s. Morris has kept the iconic silhouette intact, making it look familiar yet new. The body features smooth lines and a striking front grille, inspired by the original Minor, but with a bold, streamlined look that hints at the car's modern capabilities. LED headlights, a sleek finish, and updated details give it that perfect balance of retro style and modern elegance. As we get closer, you'll notice a few unique touches. The Morris logo has been redesigned for the 2025 model, a nod to the classic emblem but with a refined, minimalistic touch. The alloy wheels are an updated spin on the vintage design, giving it a sporty, sturdy look. And the colors? Morris has released a set of vibrant options, including British Racing Green, Sunset Orange, and Classic Cream. There's a color for every personality and vibe, making it easy to find one that feels uniquely yours. Now, let's move inside. The 2025 Morris Minor has reimagined the interior to offer a blend of nostalgia and innovation. Stepping into the car, you'll find it has that cozy, inviting feel of a classic vehicle with warm tones and soft materials. But take a closer look, and you'll see the tech upgrades. The dash is digital, with an intuitive touchscreen interface that keeps you connected with navigation, music, and climate control, all in one place. The steering wheel has retro-styled buttons that control advanced features, bridging old-school style with new-school functionality. One of the standout aspects is the focus on sustainable materials. Morris has committed to eco-conscious choices with recycled fabrics and sustainably sourced wood accents throughout the cabin. The seats are plush, ergonomically designed, and upholstered in soft, eco-friendly materials. It's clear Morris wanted to make an impact with this vehicle, not just on the road, but also in how they source and build it. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Morris Minor has moved away from traditional fuel engines and is now fully electric. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the Minor is perfect for both city commutes and weekend getaways. The electric motor delivers smooth, quiet acceleration, giving you a dynamic driving experience with impressive torque. It's not a speed demon, but it doesn't need to be. The Minor is about enjoying the ride, embracing sustainability, and capturing that vintage driving spirit with modern efficiency. The estimated range on a full charge is around 250 miles, making it practical for most drivers. Charging is convenient too. The Minor supports fast charging options, so you can get up to 80% in just about 30 minutes at compatible charging stations. Imagine taking it out for a day trip, plugging in while you grab a coffee and being ready to roll in no time. It's ideal for city dwellers or anyone looking for an efficient, eco-friendly car with loads of personality. One more thing worth mentioning is the driving assist features. Morris has equipped the 2025 Minor with safety technology, including lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera. These features are seamlessly integrated to support safe driving without overwhelming you with tech, keeping the Minor accessible and enjoyable to drive. The 2025 Morris Minor doesn't just cater to nostalgia, it's designed for drivers who want a piece of the past without sacrificing today's tech standards. It's compact, efficient, and stylish, all while making a statement about sustainable driving. This car has character, a real personality on wheels, and honestly, it's a lot of fun. Whether you're a fan of classic cars or new to the Morris brand, the 2025 Morris invites you to experience a car with soul. It brings back that love for the road, that simple pleasure of just driving. So, is the 2025 Morris Minor the perfect car for you? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.